Hi, this is Polyban Teachers and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting video of English language. Today, I am going to teach you the conjugation of the verb love. So stay tuned to my channel #Polyban Teachers and watch the video till the end. So without wasting much of the time, let me just share the screen with you all. The topic for today's class is conjugation of the verb love. Let us read and let us know what we have in this video. Conjugation of a verb. The conjugation of a verb shows the various forms it assumes, either by inflection or by combination with parts of other verbs to mark the voice, mood, tense, number, and person. And to those must be added its infinitives and participles. So basically it is a form of verb and which shows that it assumes either by inflection or by combination with other parts of verbs and to mark voice, mood, tense, number and person, and must be added to its infinitives and participles. Below is given the complete conjugation of the verb love with a view to systematize the knowledge already acquired by you in the previous videos. So first of all, we will do in the tenses, that is simple present tense. Let us see, in active voice, we write I love. But same sentence, if it is written in the passive voice, it will be written as I am loved. Similarly, active voice you love will be changed into you are loved in the passive voice. Active voice you love, you are loved. Both I am talking about singular and plural. Then he loves, he is loved. They love and they are loved. Present continuous tense. In active voice, it is said I am loving. Whereas in the passive voice, it is said, I am being loved. Again, you are loving, you are being loved. He is loving, he is being loved. We are loving, we are being loved. They are loving, they are being loved. Present perfect tense, I have loved, I have been loved in the passive voice. You have loved, you have been loved. He has loved, he has been loved. We have loved, we have been loved. They have loved, they have been loved. But there is no passive voice of the sentences written in present perfect continuous. Like I have been loving remains the same. You have been loving, it has no passive voice. We have been loving and they have been loving. Let us know about the past tense. Simple past. In active voice, it is said I loved. In passive voice, it is changed to I was loved. You loved, you were loved. He loved, he was loved. We loved, we were loved. They loved, they were loved. In past continuous, just like in present continuous, we had ing form. In past continuous also, we have ing form along with the supporting verb was and were. So I was loving in active voice will be changed into you. I was being loved. You were loving, you were being loved. He was loving, he was being loved. They were loving, they were being loved. Next is past perfect tense. In active voice, it is written, I had loved, I had been loved. You had loved, you had been loved. He had loved, he had been loved. We had loved, we had been loved. And they had loved will be changed into they had been loved. Again, in past perfect continuous tense, we do not have any passive voice of the sentences given in active voice. I had been loving, you had been loving, he had been loving, we had been loving, and they had been loving. Next, we come to simple future tense. In active voice, we write I shall or I will love. Whereas in passive voice, it will be changed into I shall or will be loved. You will love, you will be loved. He will love, he will be loved. We shall love, we shall be loved. They will love, they will be loved. Again, in future continuous tense, there is no passive form of these sentences. So we simply say in active voice, I shall or will be loving, you will be loving, he will be loving, we shall be loving, and they will be loving. In future perfect tense, we have I shall or will have loved, I shall will have been loved in the passive voice. You will have loved will be changed into you will have been loved. He will have loved, he will have been loved. We shall have loved, we shall have been loved. And they will have loved, they will have been loved. Again, in future perfect continuous, we do not have any passive voice sentences. So the sentences remain in active voice. I shall or will have been loving, you will have been loving, he will have been loving, we shall have been loving, and they will have been loving. Now there are other, apart from the tenses, we can see the conjugation of the verb love in the imperative and non-finites. Let's see in the imperative. If the word love is there in active voice, it will be changed into passive voice as be loved. And then in non-finites, we find in present infinitive, if it is written to love, it will be changed into to be loved. Then continuous infinitive, if it is given to be loving, it will not be having any passive voice. Then perfect participle, if we have to have loved, it will be changed into to have been loving, to have been loved. Then present participle, if it is loving, it will be changed into being loved. Perfect participle, if it is having loved, it will be changed into having been loved. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That is #PolyBandTeaches. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my latest videos. So till I bring more videos, bye bye.